Boy, I told you they had to go. And they had to go. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh, boy. God damn, son. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tony here, back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all something real quick today. Doing something else with them lights, but not the lights you think I'm talking about. If you got your car, or whatever car you might drive, whether it's my car, I don't know, whatever you drive, right? You probably got the same problem when you get these headlights. Make sure I don't get hit by nobody. These headlights, they're not that white. They're not that bright white that we all know and love. It gives you that yellow hint, or whatever it is. I don't know what they call it. It's not that white. It's not that like blue. You know, it's yellow. I don't like that. So what we doing today, what I'm showing y'all today, is how to change that, right? Not necessarily how to, because y'all know how to change our headlights, fog lights, all that, right? But I'm gonna show y'all when I do it. Doing my headlights, doing the fog lights, the license plate lights, those as well, because it's not white. It ain't that bright white. It's that yellow shit. We don't want that. But also, I got something else for y'all. Something that most people don't do. I normally don't see it, but I'm gonna show y'all today. It's gonna be that good shit. I'm not gonna tell you what it is just yet, because it's not a surprise, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, keep watching, you're gonna see what's happening. Now listen, man, if y'all don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm telling you now, name of the car is Sophia. She is my Sophia, but also my white elephant. They're like, oh, white elephant, what that? No, look at it. Let me show y'all real quick. You see that? That's push the star right there. Right on over there. And there's more of that to come, more emblems to come, more designs to come. But white elephant is what it is. So today I'm showing y'all these lights on this white elephant. She gonna shine brighter than normal. She gonna scream to the world. I'm telling you now. Wait on it. Shit gonna be nice. Just to keep watching. Let me show y'all something crazy here. So you know this my girl right here. You know where she's sitting at. But boy, I'll show you my boy Tacoma. Wait till he pull up with it. Hold on. Whenever he stop playing games. Whenever he stop playing. There you go. Look at that shit. God damn, boy. Fucking the game up. I'm trying to tell you. Wait till we turn around. You see them lights? We getting them lights too. Hold on now. Damn! Shit bright. Look at them. God damn, son. Go ahead, blind you. Don't mind the bumper. It's alright. We getting that fixed. But what I'm doing for y'all today, walk around the other side of the car. Oh man. We go ahead and get these lights right here. All this fun stuff. It's all good. We'll get y'all over to the front. We'll be right back. Boy, I can't get over how clean that boy Tacoma is though. It's like I said, that bumper a little messed up. He had some problems with getting shipped out here. But it's all good. We ain't talking about that. But his lights though is fire. We're gonna get this shit fixed today though. This ain't the move. This is not okay. Y'all see that blue right there? You see that? Goddamn fire. But this shit right there, this shit gotta go. We'll get that fixed. You see that yellow? Come on, man. That shit ain't even white. It ain't even white. Yeah, nah, we can't have that. So that gotta go along with everything else. Go ahead and show you how to make that happen. We're gonna start with getting the front bumper off actually. Because if you already know you're taking your headlights out or doing the headlight work, one is always gonna be easy. But the other one, boy oh boy, that tight fitting, you don't want that smoke. Don't want that smoke at all. So go ahead, go in here. Woo! Alright, bet. So y'all don't know what you gotta do. Take off these little clips that's here. All your little clips that hold this in there. This part just pops out. Boom. Then you gotta go up in here. Get these off. And y'all don't know, there's more work that goes under here to get all that off. But I'm not gonna sit there and walk y'all through how to take a front bumper off, because there are plenty of videos how to do it. I'm not finna sit and tell you step by step, you know, front bumper for dummies. No, so I'm gonna just go ahead, post it up, zoom through this bitch. right, y'all. So boom, nothing too crazy. These damn lights here, man. Hold on. All right, nothing too crazy here, right? Lights got put back in. Bumper came off. Y'all saw that. Had to take the headlight out because I'm doing the lights, all the lights like I told you. I'm going to show y'all what I got. Oh my God. Oh, look at it. Boy, listen. Look, God, mother, boy. Oh, that compared to this. That's what they give you stock. This is the tomfoolery they install in the whip. This is what they give y'all. Come on now. Come on, man. We can't be having that. We can't be having that, man. But I did this so I can show y'all how to do it, right? So I had to do it myself first, obviously, because, you know, I keep messing up. Also, come on now. Respect the whip. Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Come on now. All right, let's turn this off. She mad 'cause the lights on. All right. So boom, you're going through this process. You're doing what I did, right? Your bumper came off. Boom, splat dab. Bumper's off. You gotta get the screws out for the headlights. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Right? Boom, boom. So what we do? Let's go ahead and just pop this bad boy off. What you gotta do now is right here. This little bad boy that gives you lights, your power. Hold on. Boom. Pull this up. It's like a little safety, I guess. Boom. Right there. What you got here? Ooh. Twist that off. Left it loosey, right it tighter. Don't forget that. Same thing here. Just that simple. Let's go ahead and get our lights. I'm gonna show y'all what lights we got here. Because can't buy the wrong stuff. Boom. It says LED headlight, but I think I use these for the fog lights. Here we go again with these damn garage lights. All right. Boom. That's these right here. That's the fog lights. Look at them. Look at it. Just look like it's gonna be bright. Just bright as hell for no reason. Right? Boom. Actually, yeah, I think that's what that was. Let me double check. Yeah. These are the headlights. Boom. Here are the fog lights. Again, look bright as shit. And then my turn signal lights. Right there. So I'm gonna take y'all over there. Let's go ahead and put these in. Let's go ahead and make magic happen. You know what I mean? Split, splash, splash. All right. Oh, now get these headlights out. What you got to do? Go ahead, twist it left. Give it a little shimmy. Boom. That's out. For the turn signal, it's a little different. It's 2 clips you got to squeeze in. Which, boom. Clip right here. That's hot. Clip right there. And then for your fog lights that we got right here, you want to go ahead and twist that out. Make it easy to get to. And then you can see it right here. What you want to do, hold on, we'll go ahead and sit y'all down real quick. What you want to do here is these 2 little pins, pull those out. Boom, that's the light. Shit came off. All right. Let's go ahead and go back to it. Oh, man. All right, so you got your light here. Let's see here. Like this. So, boom. Go ahead. Just like that. Take that off. Get our new light. Align the grooves, right? Go ahead, go in there. Once you do that, you just slide that bit right back in there.
And because it's 2 clips, you pinch together. Just make sure the clips line back up. You will have retarded, don't judge me. Boom. We're gonna take this out. This right here is simple. Pull that back. Or push it in better yet, because it pulls it back. Shimmy that light out. Then we're gonna go ahead. Grab our new light. This bad boy right here. Plus and minus. Red and black, plus and minus. Plug that in. Align the grooves. Twist. Now we in. Let me get this light one more time. One more time for this damn light switch. Alright. That's what we got. Fog light. Ain't that good just yet. Boom. Slap that in. We'll grab the light here. Go ahead. Twist that in. Boom. Just like that, your new lights got installed. You do that, all you gotta do is just reverse engineer like we did before. Put your caps back on, put that back in there. Screw your things back in, put it all up. You got your bumper, boom, bad. Go ahead, put that bad boy back up. Oh man, your boy tired, hold on. And it's that simple, man. Listen, it's not that hard, y'all. I'm hot only because it's hot here in Spain. It's probably hot where you at too. Whew. Alright, yeah. But nothing too crazy. Put the lights in, looks so much better. I'm gonna give y'all better footage of that, a better video of that once I get it all buttoned up. I'm not gonna show you how to button it up because no, I'm not doing that. This is unnecessary. But I will button it up, then bring y'all back, show you what's going on, then I'll show you how it looks on the road too. Because the shit in the road before was it wasn't the same. I get flashed a lot for saying, hey, your lights too bright, but they wasn't bright enough. As y'all saw, it's that yellow. We don't yellow. Come on now. So whew. I'm going to put this back in, show you this bright white that we got, this new lights, this A1 Day 1 stuff, and we good to go. And boy, you got your man sweating over here. Let me show y'all something real quick before I finish this up. Y'all see, she coming together good, almost done. Ooh, let me tell y'all though, one thing you never want to do is get rid of spare parts, right? So the lights we took out here, I'm keeping those. I'm not saying I'm gonna put them back in, but let's say God forbid a headlight goes out or a fog light or turns in or whatever goes out. This shit goes out. I don't have anything to replace it because I'm overseas. Parts don't come fast. God damn it. These damn lights, boy, you hate to see it. Parts don't come fast, right? So now I'm sitting here with no headlights. You don't want that smoke. Just in case, I got the ones I had before. I put them back in. Yeah, there might be different colors or different shades or brightness, whatever. I still have it, you know what I mean? Also, these right here, you see that? Boom. It's the little plastic clips you have for the bumper and other little things like that, fenders and all that. Put a link down below, like I told y'all before, for these parts here. I have a kit used to take out plastic pieces, but it also comes with this. You never not want to have, you never not want to have any spare parts. These are easy to break. It's plastic. You break it, you step on it, who the hell knows? And then now you're SOL. Now you beat. You don't want that smoke. So, woo. Like I said, I'm gonna finish this up, knock this out, then show you how she look. All right, y'all. The white elephant is put back together, and boy, I gotta say, looking way better than ever. Way better. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't even yellow no more. White the way she's supposed to be, cause she the white elephant. You know what I mean? Look at that. Come on now, man. Come on now, you can't beat that. Still, again, you gotta respect the interior. Come on, y'all, look at that. Come on, man. Who else doing this? Oh my God, gotta love it. Oh man. But now, man, so also that gotta go. That's gonna go, but that's a later video for y'all. That ain't today. That's a whole new setup. Again, some more new shit for y'all. But brief rundown for y'all. Headlights put in. Little hassle, not too crazy, just hot. Like I said, it's hot in here. It's hot everywhere right now. Biggest problem I have is just it being hot. Take the bumper off, take the headlights out. Boom, boom, splat. It's all replaced. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, doing this install. Nothing crazy, nothing too hard, nothing that you couldn't do without watching this video, but you came to the video because you want to do it. So go ahead and make it happen. A lot of y'all might say, man, you don't need your lights that bright, man. You an asshole. Listen, bro. Nope. I don't want to hear it. Because if you're thinking that, you already left. So I ain't worried about it. If you're still watching, either you want the lights, you got the lights, or you just love watching the channel. And you know what? I appreciate all y'all. So go ahead, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Don't leave. Keep on watching videos so you come back for more stuff like this. Come on, man. Come. Man. Boy. But listen, man. That's all I got for y'all today. That's all I can do for y'all. It's your boy Tony. I'll bring it to the shop. Come back for more. All right, now.
So y'all know I'm not playing, y'all. Look at the difference, man. Look at this. Turn the lights off in the car real quick. Look at that. Regular high beam. Boy, listen, I'm telling you, boy, we blinding the road now. They ain't gonna like me on the street. They're not gonna like it at all. But you know what, though? It's all good. It don't matter. Shit look nice. Shit looking nice. All right. That's all I got for real this time. That's everything. That's today. That's this video. That's all I got for y'all, man. Headlights, fog lights, turn signals all installed. How to do it, what to buy, what the buy will be. Link down below. I'm telling you now in the description. Go look at that. And like I told y'all before, Amazon, baby. Amazon your best friend. But that's all I got, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Come back for more. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Like the video. It helps the channel more than you'll ever know. Come back. I got more for you. This is just the tip of the iceberg, baby. All right, y'all.